So if you have the older version, the one with the cover, the battery cable, if you have a battery cable with this cover on it, you're gonna need this thing right here, the adapter, with the IBS adapter. So it's not gonna work. You're gonna have to wait just like I did to get this, just to complete the installation. So don't forget to get this also, all right, guys? All right, guys, so it doesn't fit inside the casing because these are different. These are different sizes when it comes to right here is a little bit longer. So, and this is kind of exposed and you can bend it, so it doesn't go back in the case. This is the new battery cable, and you could tell because of the old one had the exposed wires. So if you're gonna do this and you have the older version of the negative battery cable, you're gonna need the adapter. And that adapter connects the negative battery terminal to the IBS cable. The IBS cable, this part connects to the distribution box that I think red cover that's sitting over the battery, and this is the sensor, and it connects somewhere off into the corner. So you're gonna need this adapter to go in there, and the IBS cable goes in here, and then this goes into the blue slot in the battery. And this sensor, if you want to learn more about this sensor, I'm gonna link a video below. We got the new negative battery terminal connected to the adapter, connects this to the IBS cable right here, and these two cables run. This one runs into the back, this blue cable that tells you what's up, what's going on, and then the other cable runs to the distribution box, and you can see it right there, that blue. And of course the ground is grounded, and that's it. Now I'm gonna go try to start the car. Guys, that worked. This is the first time I feel like something worked, but that worked. Got a lot of things going on the dash. Next project, hydraulic brake pump. Peace. Alright guys, here go the one that just came off the car, and we got the new one from FCP Euro, and also this right here. Yeah, so this is the battery adapter. I'm not sure what went wrong with it, guys, but just inspecting it, it might be this right here. It might be this. And if you look at this part right here, looks twisted a little bit. Yeah. But I don't think that's the issue. I'm not sure what the issue is. It has a little... Instead of removing this bar, we're gonna get a pick tool and press down and pull on it to release it. We're gonna go over here, push down, pull on it, release.